So we have got April, let's say variable cost only we are talking. And this is the month. How we will normally do, how you people do normally? Anybody? April average is going to be, April and the yearly average is going to be same because that is the first month. When it comes to the second month, what should be the average? Sir, first month yearly average is 10, am I right? Second month yearly average is this plus this divided by 2, am I right? Third month average is this plus this plus this divided by 3. Am I right, sir?
We use the average formula.
How are you going to do, sir? That is what I want to know.
Is equal to average bracket starts, then first 3, end, then it give. It automatically.
Suppose here I will say, sir, equal to average. Then
Starting from say C2 to C4.
Then
Bracket closes.
this is how you will be doing. Isn't it, sir?
Correct.
Now I want here, first 3 months, I will give a number here. Let's say 2. And I want first 2 months average here. How am I going to do?
Take
Equal
only
to-
the first 2 and then
Equal to average.
again first
to
2.
E3. E2 to E3.
No, that is what? 10.5. Now I want first 4 months average. Then I will have to again change the formula, isn't it?
Yeah, correct.
Suppose I don't want to change the formula, but the number of months whenever I give, the formula should work. Dynamic average. That is what we are going to see next, which is going to save a lot of time. Shall we see that, sir?
Okay, sir.
Dynamic average. Sir, I have given sale value of some months at random. I have given about 12 months. Now, this is my average. Whatever I have written here, no, red color is the average. The color which I have given, this is the average. And the number what I am going to write is this. Is that clear? This is what we want. First 3 months average, first 4 months average, first 1 month average. This is what we are going to do. I'll give 1 here, sir. What will be the figure on the red now? First month, it's only 3,000. I give 3. Now I give 7 months average. I give 12 months average. This and what we were doing, look at this example. If I change the number of months here, the average automatically will not change. Am I right? You will have to go on be doing this formula every time. And suppose you are giving this to your client or to your management and then tell them, sir, you change the formula, they are not going to like it. Especially people like me will not like it. So your client or your manager is not going to like it. Whereas you tell him, sir, this is what the figure. If you want 6 months average, first 6 months average, you put it, you get the figure. Good or bad? This one.
Good.
Good. So it is a simple, understandable formula. Look at the formula.
Super, sir.
Don't worry about the formula right now. Formula says if it has got if, average, index, all the 3 functions put together. If C3, what is C3? C3 is the number. Am I right? if this number is not 0, because if it is going to be 0, then there is no point. Average itself is going to be 0 only, because there is no point in arriving at the average. So you put as not applicable, NA. Otherwise, whatever MGK sir was telling, average, which is the average I will have to do B2 to B2000 I have given. So I can go up to say 1999 values. So just for the knowledge I am giving. So B2000, so that whenever you give any figure, it will work. Now this is the area which I want to average, but I will have to start from B1, which is the first column, sale value, and then index. I am indexing B2 to B2000. Index for how many numbers I will have to index from top, that is given in C3. Presently the C3 is 6. So it will take B2 to B2000. It will take 6 first numbers and arrive at the average. If I now give 4 or 8 numbers, you can check up 8 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can look at the average. 15,000, it's available here. I don't know whether you are able to read. It's available 15,413. Okay, here it is 15,412.63. I make this average as 7, then it changes. So the formula is now C3 is 7. C3 is not equal to 0. So not applicable is not going to come. So I am having at average. Average of what? B2 to B2000 I am taking. But I am indexing. Index why? Because I will take this index number as C3. C3 is 7. So I take the first 7 numbers and then I arrive at the average. So when you want to do a variable cost, total cost, fixed cost, month-wise, so you may have, let's say you have put a 12 months cost sheet you have put for the last year. Now the management wants what is the average cost for the first 4 months. Now you need not go on be calculating, adding only the first 4 months divided by 4. All those things you need not do. You can use this formula for any number of months till 12 you will be able to do, or for any number of years. For 10 years you want the running average, you will be able to do. This is the dynamic average function. Why dynamic? Because this C3, you can put it dynamically, whatever you want to put, you can put. So any observation?
Okay, sir.
It's a good function.